Hi everyone, it is Kris and Kyle. Oh my goodness, what the heck are we doing out here?
What has she gotten me into?
Exactly. I never thought I'd see myself surrounded by bees ever without doing all the swatting.
Well, you are the queen bee.
Oh, okay. I'll remember that. All right, everyone.
We'll talk about the queen bee. That may not be a good thing.
I don't know if I want to be the queen bee. I don't know. Welcome to Three Things Live. You know, when we talk about quilting, we love to talk about all the things that are at the sewing machine. But us as quilters and as men and women of this planet, right, there's so much more to us.
Oh my goodness.
And so we thought, how fitting would it be for us to be out here at Cache Mountain Honey. And then we've got master beekeeper here, Jerem Arnold, and he's going to talk to us a little bit about the bees because I find it absolutely fascinating. And when you tie it back to quilting, actually, Kyle, what did we used to call, you know, when we'd gather around a quilt? We called it a quilting bee.
Quilting bee,
Yeah.
that's
Exactly.
it. I'm trying to
Quilting
think.
bee. And I
Hive?
And there's a lot of reason for that. So let's go ahead and take a look at what are we looking at here. These don't look like normal hives that we see out there.
Where's Winnie the Pooh?
Certainly not in the beehive state.
Exactly.
So this is a Langstroth hive.
Okay.
The bees live in the bottom two boxes.
How do you know? I'm a worker bee. I already know.
The top two boxes are where they store excess honey. So they live in the bottom, mostly rear their young down there, and then they put honey up here.
Oh, interesting. Okay, so I'm still like tied to this whole idea of we see images of beehives that are, you know, cute and darling and
Yellow.
adorable and all the things. Is that a real thing?
The cute darling beehives probably don't exist. I'm guessing they may have existed in Egypt or somewhere. I don't know what they used.
Interesting.
What? Why Egypt?
Well, there's been honey found in the pyramids.
Oh.
And the honey found in the pyramids
Wow.
is still edible.
Get out.
Honey doesn't go bad.
Honey
You
never
said that
goes bad.
before.
It doesn't go bad.
You can have honey on your shelf and it will never go
It will
bad.
harden, but it will never go bad.
Can you
That's
get it soft
amazing.
again?
Yeah.
Okay.
You warm it up
Wow.
a little and it goes soft again.
And you can warm it up several times?
Hey,
Yeah.
so how does this all work? I mean, we've got literally thousands of bees here. You told us earlier about how many bees are in one of these.
There can be 30, 40,000 bees.
Don't think about that, Kris.
Holy cow. I want to see the person who's counting them. And go, oh, wait, you moved.
That's a bee counter.
Yeah.
That's a lot of
That
swearing.
would take too long.
20 to 30,000 bees.
But there's only one queen.
For that many?
One queen, yep. One
For that
queen
many.
per box. If there were another queen,
They'd
they would
kill it.
actually fight to the death
It's like
until there was
Hunger
one
Games?
left. However, all of the rest of the worker bees in here, all of the rest of the worker bees in here are all females.
Of course they are. Of course they
That's
are.
a given.
The females do the work.
Come on.
Really?
They call the shots too.
That's right.
Okay.
That's right.
I like
Queen,
that.
see?
Okay.
Queen calls the shots.
Okay.
So the reason you may not want to be the queen bee necessarily, okay, is that what happens in the hive is not actually decided by the queen bee
Okay.
to an extent.
Okay.
Whatever pheromone she puts off, the rest of the colony smells that or takes that in, and the rest of the colony as a collective group decides what's happening in here.
How do they talk to
They
each other?
decide to replace you if they don't like you.
Stop.
Be nice.
serious.
Be nice.
You're kidding.
No, I'm not.
How do they know? I mean, I
By
know
the
this
smell.
is nature.
They
and
can
everything.
tell if you're strong leadership and you're doing what you're supposed to do. If you're not doing what you're supposed to do, they replace you.
What is she
Serious.
supposed to do?
I
As a
have no
queen.
idea what she's supposed to do. But the queen bee in here, her job is to make new little babies.
Oh, wow.
Oh, I don't like
Okay.
that. I don't want to be queen bee. I'm
That
out.
is her job.
Okay, so how do they get rid of her?
They decide that she's weak. She's not laying enough eggs. She's not laying them in the right fashion,
Okay.
order.
Okay.
Not fast enough. Maybe the eggs that she's laying are not strong enough.
Okay.
And so her pheromone level goes down.
And is that a natural thing that when she gets older?
Yep, as she gets older.
And how old is
Natural
old?
thing.
Don't
I'm worried.
How
I'm
old
worried.
for a queen bee to be old is they only last 2 to 3 years generally nowadays.
Wow.
Okay.
Sometimes they can last a little longer, but they're probably not going to be very strong.
Okay, so they've decided that
So they've decided
worker bees have decided
that she
she's
needs to
not-
be replaced.
Okay.
So they take one of her eggs that she's laid,
Okay.
okay,
How many
And-
does she lay?
thousands a day.
Oh, a day?
A day.
I'm tired.
Gosh.
Okay. So they take one of the eggs that she's laid,
Okay.
and it has to be a fertilized egg
Okay.
in order to be a female.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
They take one of those and they build the cell out bigger because the queen bee is bigger,
Okay.
and they feed it. And they do that to a few cells in the colony. And they will feed it, and after the right number of days, those will hatch out. And remember I said that they fight to the death. So if one of those hatches out, this is a young, strong queen. So
Okay.
this young whippersnapper goes and finds the other cells that they've made like this and kills them,
Oh, man.
and finds the old queen
my
and kills her.
Mama?
Yeah. Yes.
Mama.
That is so sad.
Yeah.
Wow, because they've got work to do. They've got a
work
job.
to do.
They've got a mission.
That's right. Yeah.
Okay. Wow. So their job is to
Is to lay the young.
Okay, so Jerem, this is absolutely fascinating. I cannot wait to see what's on the inside. Oh, I'm nervous, but I'm
Yeah.
excited.
Well,
I've never seen one up
let's see.
close.
Yeah.
No exaggerated movements, remember?
Okay.